Pigs make me sneeze. Hi, and welcome back to Tara's Clubhouse. Today, we are reading a book, a very funny book, called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Well, make sure to subscribe my channel below, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you don't have the book, we put the link in the description below so you can get it. Let's start reading. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want... yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat? Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Achoo! Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Okay, thank you, Doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Well, I hope you liked today's story. Make sure, don't be like Gerald. When you have a cold, make sure to cover your mouth so you don't make anyone sick, alright? Now, please make sure to subscribe my channel below, give this video a big thumbs up, and also share it with your friends. You can also comment down in the comment section below what story I should read next. Have a good day.